You're looking at a Mercedes-Benz 250 GD Wolf. If you're familiar with the G-Wagen lineup but haven't heard of the Wolf, it's likely because it's a true military vehicle. In looking at this one though, you'd be a little confused by that statement, but it's true. This 250 GD built by Expedition Motor Company is one of many that starts its life as a true blue military vehicle right down to arriving to EMC with leaking drivetrain components, abysmal service history, and even bodywork full of bullet holes. From there, the company begins the process of meticulously restoring these cars right down to every last nut and bolt. Everything is fully dismantled right down to the frame, body parts are stripped to bare metal, and body specialists repair and reshape before it's off to paint. That also includes bullet holes, of course. Power comes from the iconic Mercedes OM 602 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine, and EMC offers either a manual transmission or an automatic that's sourced from an S-Class. That automatic, however, is an option that adds over $12,000 to the price tag. Worry not though, it's sourced brand new from Mercedes. In addition, the engines, just like the chassis, are stripped down to every component and rebuilt to perfect spec, ensuring that everything about the customer's Wolf is brand new. Buyers of an EMC Wolf aren't just buying themselves a fun off-road toy either, they're actively part of the process in bringing it to life. Buyers pick exactly what they want, from basics like paint color all the way down to the upholstery choices, stitching color, wood trim color, and even whether you want clear or amber indicator lenses. As one might expect, they don't come cheap. The starting price for an EMC Wolf is $165,000. It is, however, worth keeping in mind that this is a completely bespoke build, catered explicitly to the customer's desires, and, for all intents and purposes, is a brand new vehicle. If that's not convincing enough, perhaps the fact that over 2,100 man-hours of labor go into each Wolf from EMC is. That's over 87 days, a quarter of an entire calendar year worth of time spent on the vehicle, and we're talking tools in hands working on the car, not business days. End to end, it takes EMC's team around 4 months to execute the build process for one of these Wolves. Now, I know you're probably wondering how it drives, and thank you so much to Alex and EMC for letting me drive this thing so I can tell you that the simple answer, quite frankly, is fantastic. EMC has in-house developed suspension to give the Wolf a more modern driving feel, but of course the chassis itself still retains its utilitarian feel. The steering isn't nimble and tight like a sports car, but you wouldn't expect it to be. You might also expect a 30-year-old military vehicle to have the steering slop of a 70s TV dad's car, but it doesn't feel like that either. It tracks straight, responds just fine, and frankly, that's all you could ask of it. And no, before you ask, it's not fast. Again, you'd have to be out of your mind to think it would be, assuming these engines are making their original power, and they should be, considering they're brand new once EMC is done with them. They make just shy of 100 horsepower with an accompanying 116 pound-feet of torque. What are you in a rush for? Fold the windshield down, take it for a nice cruise on the beach. If you know me, you know I love fast cars, but sometimes you just need a nice open-air cruise. If it happens to be in an incredibly capable off-road military vehicle rebuilt specifically to your specs exclusively for you, then, well, I'd say you're having a pretty damn good day. For more information on the Wolf and the restoration process by EMC, check out expeditionmotorcompany.com. The link is in the description. Thank you so much to Alex, EMC, and my friends at IBP Media for putting this drive experience together. Be sure to subscribe, press the like button, and I will see you next time.